Alright, it's the Turbo 3 cash machine. As you can see, um, it's a $3 website that helps you earn multiple $3 payments on autopilot. The example they give is in 30 days they sold $1,297. $1,297 sales, and that's $3,891. And pretty much, it's a one-page website that it's only $3, one-time payment of $3, and you receive $3 instant payments connected straight to your PayPal account. And the way it's set up is it's like a licensing fee, a one-time licensing fee, and you can pretty much set it up and do the same thing and make money. And as an example, let's say you make 5 per day. That's the extra $15, the extra $450 a month. And if you can't see the value in that, then I don't know what to tell you, because it's less than a 4 for 4 at Wendy's or McDonald's. And if you're interested, just check out the link down below. It answers all questions, that you might have. And normally, it's regularly $47. They're giving it to you for $3. And like I say, that is a great deal. So check out the site, check and see if it's for you. And like I say, that's pretty much it. See you at the top.